and things just took a complete left turn. Do you consider this a street car?
Fuck around and find out.
Let's kick this video off the right way. We are coming back to the streets. Free my boy Cacho, I'm doing this one for you. Yes, we are coming back to the streets. Dear streets, you guys are on notice. What up YouTube? I am sorry that I haven't been uploading. Super busy in the shop. I know it's not a good excuse. We have big news coming in the upcoming weeks. I want to show you guys my street car. You guys tell me if you guys notice a difference. Yes, I should have recorded it. I just didn't know. You'll know in the next videos why I didn't record it, because I didn't know if I could put it out there. But my plan with this car is I'm gonna grudge the car after this whole ordeal is over. But I was gonna turn into a complete grudge car, which wasn't really the plan. It's still a street car, but I'm gonna turn the camera around, show it to you guys for the first time. Things just took a big left turn. Wouldn't you say that, J-Rock?
Well, I said before, you kind of show them the car. I'll just give them like a quick shot update.
All right, we'll give them
and leave the best thing for last. So first things first, maybe my car. We haven't really touched it much since the last video.
The last thing we
left off at was I'm pretty sure you guys didn't want to see me shooting the freaking Raptor liner. It's like kind of boring, but I did shoot the back end of the car.
So half of the car is shot underneath the Raptor liner, and the diff is completely mounted up.
Yeah, Jared got a chance to mount the diff, and the bracket to hold it up and everything, and the control arms.
That's pretty
much it
for this car.
We didn't really want to move forward too much without sharing the video with you guys, but you know, mounting this stuff is like, there's really no point of shooting it. It's pretty simple. You guys already seen them mock it up before, so, but now it's in there.
That's pretty much it on this.
On this car, yeah.
That's good though. Everything's like brand. I love when everything looks brand new.
Yo, I'm excited.
Bolt color bothers them.
Yo, I'm excited to show them the street car. Like, it's insane.
And then this car right here, if you guys don't follow East Coast Imports, you guys don't have social media, we are going to be giving this car away in the upcoming weeks. I want to say probably towards the end of January, beginning of February. I'm working on the rest of the merch right now, the key tags and stuff like that, to put the stuff together for you guys. But you guys can enter to win this car. If you guys have social media, make sure you guys follow East Coast Imports. They'll tag it in.
I will put the description, and I'll tag the Instagram and Facebook page.
And put the website.
Yeah, and I'll put the website on here. This car is a giveaway car. We'll post it up in the next 3 weeks, roughly. I'll make a full video on the car. I'll get all the details for you guys, but it is a giveaway car, so you guys can purchase merch on the website and then get entered to win the EM1. So the EM1 is going 100%.
And then another thing too, for the guys that are new to the channel, if you guys don't know what this car is, you guys can go back and play the videos of us building this car from the beginning all the way to the end.
There's a full playlist on this car. You guys can go back and check it out from start to finish. Every single detail is in there.
With that being said,
let's show them.
I gotta put my 2 cents. I'm gonna be sad seeing this car go, because this was our first YouTube build, right?
It is. It was.
I think like the first major big build, right? Yeah.
This car, like, just thinking of not being in the shop anymore makes me sad a little bit.
Tell them to go watch the playlist.
Yeah, go watch the playlist if you want to see the full build. Everything is on there. It's crazy how this car turned out. It's literally like top notch. Every nut, bolt, bottom to top looks brand new on it. Somebody's gonna be really happy whoever wins this.
This car is just insane.
Show like one quick shot down the side of the car.
This car is insane.
Not a single ding, like no imperfections at all on this car.
The paint quality, literally, on this car is like second to none. Honestly, like, it's just crazy how clean it is. This is better than factory paint job.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Before we get into the street car, can we show them
Well, they can kind of see behind Jarek what's on the floor.
Jarek, what's going on over here?
I don't even know.
Talk to me. Talk to me. You know what's going on because you're the one that did it.
I can't even pick apart like what changed on the car.
Hold on. You guys know what's going on. You guys are the ones with the idea.
I know, I'm bullshit.
Him, and Cacho.
Did you show them the car? Did they actually get like a full shot of the car? Because that's what's going to make the difference. Because if they've seen this car enough what it was before, then they should be able to tell.
I don't know if I'll drop in this video. I came here and I shot the car before I came to your shop. Okay. I got stuck at your shop with the car. My initial goal with that video was to make like a full test video of the car. I took the car out as is. It was running. I took it to Jarek's shop. Got to Jarek's shop, turned the car off. I was adjusting the clutch pedal and it wouldn't start back up because the starter or alternator went bad. So I had to tow the car back here. and things just took a complete left turn.
I'll tell you why it didn't start.
Why?
Because this damn car doesn't like me, bro. Like, literally.
But what we did here, how long have I been telling you to do this
Insane. It's insane.
How long have I been telling you to do this for?
For a while.
And you didn't want to pull
Now
the
the
trigger
car just turned into a complete grudge car.
All the guys got on board. I'm like, yeah, we need to do this to this car.
Jarek, I did not want to do this to you.
What is all this?
All right, so let's go here.
I mean, even a headlight. Like, what's
My
going
headlight, my intercooler, radiator, turbo setup, top mount, all my piping, my wastegate.
on? You didn't even get a chance to enjoy this yet, really.
No, I didn't. This is all brand new.
Dyno pass, so that was it.
So let's go to the front of this car. This is my front wheel drive B-Series car. Was. It's now stripped.
Well, if you guys know the idea now,
Yeah, they already get
you
it.
guys already know what's going on.
You guys already get what's going on.
So pretty much we have a track car and a street car and all-wheel drive.
We are coming to the streets, you guys. We are coming to do some hood rat things in the streets with you guys, have some fun, and bring you guys some insane content.
So let me get this straight real quick. So for people who aren't catching on, is you just made the street car an 820 car?
Don't say that on
that
video.
right?
The
No.
motor isn't that crazy.
It's
I thought it was the same motor.
no, it's full weight. It's not an 820 car. Don't listen to him. That car's on street time.
Fuck around and find out.
Let's go check that shit out. This shit turned. We took the Mugen wheels off. Let's start
I
there.
actually like this setup better. Yeah.
Drop in the comments if you guys like the TEs on here. We put bronze TEs on here, 15s. The Mugen wheels are 16s. I don't know. Jarek said he likes them. My brother does. I like the Mugen wheels.
I think the other wheels kind of make it look like a front wheel drive, like a factory looking car, like a stockish looking car. Now you can tell it's a all-wheel drive car.
We put some Toyo tires on here. All the grip. These are still radials. This shit's insane. I'm gonna give you a shot at the back. The exhaust is going back up. I just have to get a bigger one. I'm gonna put like probably a 4-inch. But we are still working on this. I really didn't want to shoot this because I didn't know what. This will all make sense in a couple weeks. Why we did this to begin with. But you guys gotta check this out. Yo, just insane. This is like.
This car.
Do you consider this a street car? Like the interior's still in. I still consider it a street car. I'm gonna put the full exhaust back on after what we're gonna do. But
if it can be driven around, it's a street car.
I'm gonna drive
You
around.
can still put a seatbelt on. It's still a street car.
That's what you count a street
You
car.
still have an alternator, a gas tank, which this car still has, and you can drive it around. Like I'm pretty sure you're gonna be driving it around.
Yes.
You're not gonna be trailing it around. And yeah, it's a street car.
Oh my God.
We have a radio.
Check this
We have
out.
speakers.
It still
So
throws me off. Like when I'm looking at the
it
front of
looks.
it, I feel like I'm looking at that car.
Yeah, me too.
Because I'm so used to the intercooler and the up pipe and everything on that car. It's like, it's crazy. It like confuses me a little bit.
So we took my full turbo kit off my front wheel drive car and put it on this car. There's a bunch of small things. Remember, this car's still on an alternator. There's no 16 volt. It's gonna be a full street car. Brand new starter in. We put a brand new alternator. This thing is ready to go. And then brand new transmission.
Brand new transmission.
A lot has changed.
The crazy part is that other transmission was brand new too.
It's right here. It's still brand new. I literally didn't even use it. Just took it to a drive to J-Rock shop and dyno time. Oh, man.
Well, you guys seen what happened to the other gear stack inside that car. So we figured out we might as well not cut any corners, slap a PPG in there. and just
I
call
feel
it.
bad for not recording because you said I should have recorded from the start. I just didn't know.
Initial teardown.
I didn't know if where we're because we're going somewhere. So I didn't know if we were like allowed to do it. Then I reached out to one of the people. They said, yeah, just don't air the results out until after.
That and the timing. I mean, you could give them a time frame, right? Basically, from when we started to when we got to do what we got to do.
This started last week.
Yeah.
And we have to be out of here next week, pretty
So
much.
honestly, even shooting content, it takes up a lot of time, and we probably didn't have the amount
The
of
thing
time.
is, for you guys, right, that are watching, you guys are always saying, oh, we don't really get in depth of showing what we're actually doing. For us, right, Jared's working on the cars. I'm not in the shop with them. I'm at the auctions buying cars to sell. Sonic's taking care of the ordering parts and dealing with people on social media and all this other stuff. So it's kind of hard to just stop and shoot. So, but right now, we kind of give you guys an update on what's going on.
So full shop update. We are hitting the streets with this. This is a street car.
It might be too much for you in the streets.
Come on, J-Rock. Come on. Show you guys a
But the
quick.
best part, the reason why we did this too, is everything just plug and play. We didn't have to fab anything up.
that was really
everything,
nice,
yeah,
honestly.
everything just bolted right up.
Yeah.
That was
it
the
did.
cherry on top for me. 'Cause it was literally like plug and play. A couple things have changed, but usually I'm used to like just having to like full fab something or something. But
Here, there's a hood
it's like
closed.
Legos.
So,
I haven't even seen the car with the hood shut. Damn. This looks like this car. People are gonna get these confused. Wow. This car looks so good.
I kind of like the
it
uprights.
kind of throws you off because you got a big ass intercooler, hood exit,
I'm putting the bumper back on. You guys remember, I'm just gonna put the bumper back on,
and
but
then when you go look at the inside, it just looks like a regular.
my inside's all kind of torn up.
Just like a regular Civic.
This is a street car, bro.
It's all blown apart.
Oh, it is blown apart. I got the dash on the seat. Put a strain gauge in the car. I'm not gonna use it on the street, but I just put it in for precaution just in case I do hit the track.
You asked me what's a badass street car? This right here.
You know what though? I think my man just upped the game. So
You know the crazy part is?
I think you know what it was. It's because he knew he was racing.
You know the fucked up part is? Now you got me fucked up. I swear to you, that's why I'm not putting this car back together yet. Because I already know what type of car this car is.
I can see where this is going. Thank
Yo,
you. Now
yo,
you just
you're not beating me.
I just called-
You're not beating
hold
me
on, let me
now.
tell you.
That's a fact.
I just literally, KJ was in here the other night, right? I said, yo, KJ, build me another motor. I'm about to sell the other transmission I have. We're gonna get a PPG trans too. It's about to get out of hand.
It's about to
It's
get.
already out of hand.
It's about to get wild.
Two of you.
It's about to get crazy in
The
here.
turbo setup that I got is getting sold.
Yeah.
It's over. We're gonna have two
Yo,
fucking...
if the car could look like this though, like I'm honestly, I'm so glad we
all
did
for
this.
it, yeah.
This went from like, it looks like a street clean car. Check out that tire though. We outside, and I'm keeping the mud flaps on here.
I'm just gonna fly off.
Oh man.
One thing before we do start doing hood rat stuff, you guys know me. We just have to PPF the whole car, and then we'll be good.
All right.
The back bumper.
Yeah, in the back bumper.
So we still have to put the transfer case on, a few little odds and ends, front bumper, wire the strain, fill it up with fluids, and then we are gonna hit the dyno again for the second time.
And if
And the dyno, and then what?
Test on the streets.
test.
We are
we're
testing.
definitely gonna put those videos up for you.
We
guys.
are putting those videos up before the whole ordeal. I will drop that news in like 3 weeks what's going down. But I will get the test videos. I will get the GoPro. I will have everything. I just can't wait to see what this is gonna make for power, because this was insane.
I just can't wait to see your face after the first test pass.
This setup was pretty good. What did this setup make? Almost 9.
I don't, oh, this setup?
Yeah.
We stopped it at like 7 something.
Yeah, we didn't.
We didn't finish tuning.
Oh, you're right. Because of the CO2.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyways, you guys seen what that turbo did on that car. It makes well around 1,000 horsepower. If you guys want to buy anything that you guys see on the floor, hit me up or hit Sonic up.
Yo, hit a med up. It's gonna be half off of what Sonic sells it for.
$500.
Yeah, I just bought this turbo. I just bought the whole setup. But that's,
If anybody wants to buy it, contact Sonic, and he got the transmission.
yeah,
part.
Albin Synchro set over there. All the stuff's for sale, but the shop, or the car, just took a left turn, huge left turn in a matter of, honestly, we've been working on the car since last week
It's gonna look good when it's like on the floor, like outside.
with the front bumper.
Everything, like it's gonna look mean. These tires are insane.
I like it. I didn't even know these tires existed till Jamie told me about them. He said they're supposed to hook up better than the Mickey Thompsons, the radios, but we're gonna find out when we go test. These tires were $200 each. Crazy, right? That's the expensive ass tire.
They're probably not even gonna last either.
Nah. But drop in the comments, let me know what you guys think of the overall car. If you guys like the street car, you guys think I ruined it. I think we did it for the better. What you looking at over there? What's on?
Can't end this video yet.
I was gonna end it. What is over there?
What's going on over there?
Let's go take a walk. I'll follow you.
How did this even end up here?
How
I
did?
don't know.
Yeah.
This is a pretty good day in the shop, though, I'll tell you that.
It's a great day in the shop. Yo, Jordan, don't get scared.
I got high hopes.
Don't get scared.
We got the first step. It's in house.
It's in house. You food, Jordan.
Nah.
You are food. That car is food. I know you guys got me on this. The Type R is walking J-Rock. Kev, you love Integras, right? I'm walking J-Rock?
Nah, he won't.
Whoa. Let's show them the engine bay on this real quick. A lot of people have not seen this. Few people did. Who you got your money on? Nitrous K-Series or you got the K-Series Supercharged?
This is the car in the beginning of the intro video that's whining, for you guys that don't know.
I do have the intake pipe. I got a titanium one. I still haven't fabbed it up yet.
You got any video pulls? Like, you do any pulls?
The thing is, all of my videos, they're like long, so it won't be good in the YouTube video. The intro is pretty much all I got.
Just throw a clip in there for them just to see.
Who you got your money on? Me? They got your money on me. This thing is food.
Hold on.
To me,
What do you got? What you got over there?
If you guys can't find Sonic, this is where he's at.
In the bushes. Yo, check his Photoshop skills out. One step closer though, I brought the car here for you. The car didn't come here. The car did not come here
at the
first.
end of the day, it's not really a loss for you because
It's not a loss for me. That's what.
it's a shop build, so it's like they're kind of both your cars, you know, at the end of the day.
I might just take that out on purpose. It's free.
I might
It's like free promo for
I'm
me.
gonna have Jimmy pull the log. TPS went from 100 to 65 real quick.
I'm gonna show you guys the street car one last time before we end this video. You guys let me know what you guys think. I think the thing looks insane. Like super, super dope. I love it. I just feel like it looks like my old car too much, but you guys will get the difference. B-Series all-wheel drive. Yes, we are coming to the streets. That's my goal. We are gonna do this for my boy Cacho.
For Cacho.
For Cacho.
Yo,
Free my boy Cacho.
We were out the other night, and they were saying there's not that many street cars in Connecticut that are really out like that racing in other states. So
We gonna carry Connecticut on our back, bro. I promise you that. Look at this.
Yo, can we take one more piece off of the front wheel drive car?
What do you want to take off the car?
Can I just put it on without even no questions?
I don't see what else we can
it's part of
upgrade.
the seat,
The seat?
carbon seat.
No. I want to put the chute.
No, you're gonna start getting people scared. Parachute on here. But free my boy Cacho. This one's gonna be for him. We are taking this car back out to the street since his EK is coming out next year. So we are gonna hit the streets with this car this year, which was my initial goal to do with the K-Series car that I have, which you guys have not seen yet, because that car is just missing wiring. But for the time being, we are gonna take this car to the streets, make some money with it.
Well, Mexico streets.
Yes.
Mexico streets. You gotta say that.
Don't street race, it's illegal.
Yeah. So we will see you guys later. And again, I'm sorry for not uploading, but let me know what you guys think of the car. See you guys later.